Hi there! If you have been following my videos, you saw that I've been sharing some free CAD tutorials. So I haven't been sculpting in a while, and for my latest project I wanted to model something again, sculpt a little cute character, so I chose Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. So for this project I didn't use FreeCAD. I used another software called Nomadsculpt. I do it from my tablet. Here I have a Samsung Galaxy tablet, and it's really fun to sculpt on Nomadsculpt. You really feel very close to as if you were sculpting actual object with clay. So it's really fun. I have been sculpting with Nomadsculpt for couple years already. There was of course a learning curve, but now I feel more comfortable and I can do these little characters and I love them. So I wanted to share with you. This was printed with a gradient PLA, so you can see a slight color change here. Blue to purple, purple to blue. This one is more bluish because it got a portion of the gradient that was more blue. I'm considering painting this. It will be very cute if I paint, so I might do that on this weekend. I will try to paint these. Very happy with the results, and this was challenging because of the teeth. The teeth and the tongue were the most challenging parts of it, because these need some support material to be printed like that. I used a reference image from the movie, so you can see here the reference image that I used, and I really wanted to do it very similar, so I wanted to keep the tongue out and the teeth, everything. So I did a little trick to include some kind of support behind the teeth. They don't look as pointy as the original, but you can print these without support the teeth, and you only need support for the tongue and a little bit. I added some support also for the ears, but I don't think it's really necessary like in here, just to be sure. This model is already available on my printables profile for free. Of course, you can download and print it yourself. I would love to see your makes. So please share and tag me if you can. Also, if you would like to see some Nomadsculpt tutorials, leave a comment as a suggestion. I don't know if you are interested in that, so let me know in the comments if you'd like some basic Nomadsculpt tutorials. It's a really fun program to work with to create designs like you were sculpting clay, so it's really fun to work with. And yeah, that was my update. I will also add a little time lapse of the print so you can see in action. Thanks for watching and see you next time.